Okay. First, we will look at Ahmad's experiment, okay? This water, you're gonna put here. Yeah, let's see. Ahmad, gonna put here. Let's see, Ahmad. Whoa! Very good. Now, we're gonna have some candles. What is this? Candle.
Wow.
We're gonna blow.
Put it in the middle. Sign experiment.
Whoa!
It'll burn my skin. What if it's strong?
Ahmad, you gonna spray inside?
Spray inside.
Take spray.
Okay, it takes so long.
Come on, now, you know what you're gonna do?
What's that?
You're gonna put on it.
Let's go on the
Okay? Let's see. Ahmad, take and put on it like this. You want me to help you? Muhammad, take.
Woo! I'm scared. I'm kind of scared.
I owed him up. No. I owed him up.
Put. One, two, three, put. Oh, Ahmad, put faster.
I did.
Oh my
Did you?
Mine's not working.